whiz.
He's marking his spot.
Yeah, he does that all the time. Bear's eating grass.
Aww. Yeah, he's got saliva all over him from Daddy.
You may want to wash him after this activity. Daddy, stop!
Alright, you guys, break it up.
I don't like it, Shay. I don't like it. Maybe we could give him a bath together.
We could. Well, he'd be wet on the ride home, and your uncle wouldn't like that.
He'll just have to be slobbered.
Yeah. He's all slobbed up. Daddy, go get him! Run around. They're already pooped out.
Well, there wasn't no warm-up period.
It was straight outburst.
Uh-oh.
Bear's covered with slobber.
Daddy's very tired. Don't hump his
No,
head.
no, no.
Daddy!
I don't like it. I don't like it. Daddy, no.
He's just humping the air.
Yeah, that's what Bear did that first time with Shadow. Just an air hump.
He's just trying to bite his tongue. You guys are tongue wagging right now.
Daddy was drinking and Bear was drinking his slobber.
Yeah, Michelle told me. Get it, Bear. Get it.
That's Pedro's favorite ball. That's it. It's done.
It's Pedro's favorite ball?
Yeah.
Well, then get it.
Are they allowed to play with it?
Sorry, Bear.
Do we have another ball?
He has tennis balls over there. I'll go get them.
Look at these guys, worn out.
Oh, those are baseballs.
Oh.
What just happened?
Oh, that hurt his foot.
It did?
Sounded like it. Uh-oh.
Oh no. That's so funny.
That's that air hump. What is Bear doing?
He loves grass or dirt on his belly. He loves to rub in his belly on the ground.
Bear should stick him in the neck.
There you go. There. Hump up.
That old sniff, sniff.
They're good buddies.
Already, they're good buddies.
Look, Bear just licked his tongue. You're dating.
No. Daddy's beat.
That's cute, Shay.
Hi, Daddy.
Bear's checking out his food bowl. Jeez, Daddy's a fat slob. Ew, Shane's gross.
Bear's like, come run with me. Come on, run with
Daddy's
me.
like, oh god, I'm sorry.
Isn't it, Daddy?